Hi everyone, welcome to Down Home Eating with Candace, and today we have fish and chips and hush puppies, onion rings from this local place. It's called the Miami Grill. They used to call it Miami Subs down here, but it's Miami Grill, and I definitely wanted to share my food with you today. I'm so excited. I have not had this in a while. So I love fish, as you know, from my previous videos. But let's dig in. I have some shout outs to do as well. And I wrote them down because I'm very organized. Now, the first shout out I'm going to have is to Ace Eats. Hey girl, if you are looking for, and these are the shout outs that are, if you're looking for kind of talking, funny, positive vibes, these are the channels for you, okay? So, Ace Eats is number one. My second is my girl. We talk on the phone quite a bit. Is Keena Craves, and I'm going to put everybody's like a picture of them or whatever, so you can make sure you following the right ones. And this is a new channel that I started following as well. Her name is Big Bay Message. So that's kind of it for that. I'm super excited to just give a shout out to them. I'll be trying to do these every time that I get on here to just support and elevate other channels such as myself, because we are a team community, okay? All right. All right, so let's get into this. Now, it came with tartar sauce, which I love tartar sauce. And this is the size of the fish that they give you. It also comes with the hush puppies, which I love hush puppies so much. And this is the onion rings. I'm showing you guys so you can see how big these babies are. Oh yeah, I love onion rings, yo. All right. Here we go. Here we go. So, I'm so hungry. I'm on my lunch break, so y'all know it is. Right now, I'm working from home. Unfortunately, I'll probably be going back on Monday. Back to in the office for good. But oh, and I have a root beer drink from them. All of this on DoorDash was like 25 plus tip, so we're good. Let's start with this. Had to put my ketchup on there. And we're going to talk a little bit. I'm going to eat a little bit, and then we're going to get into it, okay? This is a good Friday afternoon lunch meal. Now, this place, Miami Grill, they have some good subs. I usually get the chicken Philly cheese sub. It's bomb. And I get the works. So I'll be having lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, mustard, all that good stuff on it. We on plan. If you ever come down to Miami, make sure you try Miami Grill. It's a franchise-owned business. They got about, I'll say about 5-6 locations. I think they're kind of moving further up north too, if I'm not mistaken. Let's try these babies. The onion rings are always on point. Y'all, I was watching CBS, right? And I saw this story. It's crazy. Because I was thinking about taking vacation during the summertime or whatever. And I wasn't sure where we were going to go or whatever. But I just was like, wow, I don't know if I want to go. So, this couple, I believe they were travel agents. That's what they did full time. Either full time or they retired from doing that. They went to the Sandals Resort. They went to the, I want to say they went to the urgent care or whatever because they weren't feeling well. And come to find out, they don't wake up when they get back because, you know, urgent care kind of sends them home. Or back to the resort. And they end up passing in the room. And it looks like because there was an AC leak or a Freon or something in the room. And not just their room, another person died too. I think a male. And I don't know what island it was. If y'all know, drop down in the comments. Let everybody know. But that is so scary. You go on vacation. You living your best life. You retired. You know what I'm saying? And I was talking to my girlfriend about it. And she heard about it too. Because she just came back from, I think, one of them islands, St. Lucia or something. So, man, it's like one, that's why I say you have to live your life to the fullest because you never know what's going to happen. So sad. But I am getting down on these onion rings. Y'all give me some comments on where I should go for vacation. And are you guys planning any vacations as well during the summertime as the summer is coming? I would love to go to like the islands and such. To go island hopping. On the budget. Or even, you know what? I've lived here like majority all my life. And I've never been to the Keys. I've never been to the Keys. And I hear it's beautiful down there. There's nothing but drinking, chilling, and living your best life. They give me a lot of fries. Want me to do it? This fish is, dang, it's about gone. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Yeah, so today's been a quiet day at work. A report that I need to use is not working. So, just my luck. It'll start working as soon as it's time to go. But whatever. I always live by this credo. You do your 8 and you hit the gate. Okay? So, and it's Friday too. These hush puppies, they are so good. I had to order this early, y'all. I did. I know the line be wrapped. Because I believe they cook it to order. So, hey. I know I ain't gonna eat all these fries. How many fries I still got left? They're better off giving me more fish and fries. Yes. These are so good. These onion rings. Yummy. I feel like I'm rushing to eat. These are good. They're good enough. I ain't even mess with the onion ring sauce. So good. Last onion ring, y'all. Super good. All right, y'all. I want to thank you for tuning into my video. I devoured these onion rings, I see. But thank you guys for watching. And I have more videos to share with you. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, click your notification bells for more videos such as this. Comment below as well. It really helps my channel. Thanks again. And have a great weekend. Bye-bye.